this reading. The reading name is The Origins of Weather Forecasting. So this reading was reported by some students for this 27 June 2026 IELTS exam in India. So let's improve IELTS reading band scores with me. Of course, you will be doing practice with me. On the left side, I am showing you reading text, and on the right side, you can see the questions. So please make sure do practice with me. That is more important than any other things. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Monika from IELTS 9. Okay, so if you want PDF of all IELTS recent exams like in 2026, 2024, 2025, I can give you PDF of all these exams. Okay, so everything I have collected on the basis of students report. Okay, so first type of question here we have been given here. Do the following statements agree with the information given in the text? So what kind of question is this? You can always text me. And then second type of question is here. Complete the notes below, write one word only. Means in fill in the blanks we need to write only one word, not two words. If you add in of any article kind of thing or preposition, then also your answer will be wrong. Okay, only one word means one word. So let's start with first type of question. Yes, you must have recognized what type of question is this. True, false, not given. Okay, so these are the instructions. So it's important to read the instructions. That's too much important, I'm saying. Okay, so first question. First we will read the question statement. We will understand the meaning and will come out with one or two keywords. Those keywords will take us to the location in the paragraph. Of course, this is first type of question. Then definitely we will start reading from the first type of question. And if you think that first you will read full passage within 2-3 minutes, that's a wastage of time. Okay, first you take the target and then come to the paragraphs. Of course, we have to read it, but thoroughly we will not read it, everything in the passage. So first question says, in Robert Fitzroy's time, weather forecasting was a respected skill. So this name will take us to the location. And in Robert's time, weather forecasting was a respected skill. If weather forecasting was a respected skill, then it will be true. And if it is not like that, then it will be false. And if they're not talking whether the forecasting employment or skill was respected or unrespected, then it will be not given. So robot, okay, time, okay, no, this robot, forecast is also there, and this person name is here. Okay, so let's read it from here. The first forecast was the idea of Admiral Robert, head of the newly founded meteorological department and one of the Britain's greatest but least known heroes. Okay, it was a brave undertaking because in those days predicting the weather had gained a reputation similar to astrology or fortune telling. The people who attempted it had become a national joke when their forecast inevitably went wrong. Okay, so what they are saying here, weather forecasting was a respected skill, but people, the weather had predicting the weather had gained a reputation similar to astrology or fortune telling. You must be knowing that as those who are nowadays, it is a respectful job, I think, according to my opinion. In those days, astrology and fortune telling was not reputation, it was not respectful job, I think, because here this line says the few people who attempted it had become a national joke when their forecast inevitably went wrong. So on the basis of this, I must say this is false, not true. Okay, second, when, and of course you can read this paragraph also. but here person name is not there. That's why I'm not reading this first paragraph. When Fitzroy retired from the Navy, he had already had a successful career at sea. Okay, retirement was the idea of. Okay, let's move to next paragraph. So in second paragraph I have seen, so successful, retire word is also there. I can see this retired. When same sentence structure. When Fitzroy retired from active services as an admiral in Britain's navy, he was looking for a new direction. Okay, he subsequently secured a job as chief statistician at the meteorological department, part of the board of trade. Okay, so we need to find, he had already had a successful career at sea. Retired from active service as an admiral. So admiral is like if somebody is admiral in navy, then definitely he had a successful career at sea. So no one, everyone can't become admiral in navy. So that's why this is true. That's why it is a true answer. So because you will be asking me now, where is sea and navy? So in second paragraph I will show you, just a minute. In second paragraph where they have started the sentence, your navy is here. You can see this, navy is here. Okay, you can now, admiral means like he had successful career. Navy means it is all related to sea. Okay, now coming to third question. Fitzroy faced competition from other applicants for the chief statistician job. Okay, so statistician word is here, and if he faced competition from other applicants, then definitely true. And if 2 or 3 candidates were there, of course, if they are not talking about any competition from other applicants, then not given. And if he faced competition, then it will be true. And if it is given like that, he did not face any competition, then it will be false. Okay, so he subsequently secured a job as chief statistician at the meteorological department, part of the board of trade. Parliament had voted to set up and fund meteorological department to chart the safest sailing routes across. Okay, nothing, they have not explained like that whether there was a competition for this job, so I will mark it not given. Okay, now fourth, the British Parliament. So Parliament, yeah, here it is British government, means parliament word is also there. See this, the British Parliament supported the idea of regular weather forecast in 1854. Okay, this word will take us to the, yeah. So of course we are at the right location. 1854 is here. Now we need to find whether the Parliament supported the idea of regular weather forecast or not. Okay. However, the British government was not impressed with the idea. Was not impressed with the idea. Here it is given supported the idea. Okay, so of course this will be false. False. Idea of collecting weather reports and establishing a weather forecast. Okay, now coming to fifth question. Progress in technology made it a good time for public. Progress in technology. Okay, technology made it a good time for publicly available weather forecasting to begin. Okay, so this paragraph is done. Now coming to next paragraph. Fitzroy was given a staff of 3 clerks in a small office in London, but he soon grew tedious. Okay, I am looking for progress in technology. Publicly available weather forecasting to begin. Public available. Okay. Instead, he focused on much more pressing issue, the huge loss of sea at from. This problem came to a head in 1859. Royal Charter, they are talking for 33 lives. Okay, Royal Charter was considered a national tragedy. So I am looking for progress in technology. The Times newspaper explaining the storm. I don't think so. Here they are talking about this progress in technology. No. So let's move to next page. That is means next paragraph. Let's go to. So we are looking for forecasting word I can see over here. See this? Okay. This was the just right moment for National Forecasting Service. Knowledge of the weather was improving. So progress is improving. Okay. Barometer readings gave warning of approaching storms and invention of electric telegraph and Morse code. Okay. So what I have understood, progress is improving. Knowledge of barometer is technology. Reading gave warnings of approaching storms and invention of electric telegraph. This is also technology. Made it a good time for publicly available weather forecasting to begin. Okay. And 1844 gave instant communication for the first time. So February, Fitzroy pressed ahead with storm warning service. Previous weather reports had been unreliable. So it means this is again true. Made it a good time for publicly available weather forecast. Now coming to fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks, and of course you can get PDF of all this. And of course, one thing I want to request from you, there is nothing to pay here. You can subscribe, you can like, you can hype my video. Thanks in advance. Okay, I am here to help you in getting good band scores in IELTS reading. So let's read the instructions first. Complete the notes below, write one word only. Okay, so here IELTS reading tips and tricks I can say. So this is fill in the blanks. For fill in the blanks I am telling, the words before blanks are also important to get correct answer. Okay, so February 1861 they are talking. 1861 I can see here in this paragraph. Okay, so storm warning services, warning of approaching storms. So this, we are at the right location. Wherever we have left the location of true false not given, immediately after that we have got the location of fill in the blanks. So Fitzroy received weather reports produced by ships using reliable. Okay, Fitzroy received weather reports produced by ships using reliable. This was just the right moment. National forecasting, invention of electric telegraph, and gave instant communication for the first time. So in February, Roy pressed ahead with storm warning service. Previous weather reports had been reliable. Its innovation was to issue ships with standardized instruments which allowed for accurate weather reports. See this weather reports word is here. Okay, produced by ships using reliable instruments. So here 6 number will come. Instruments, standardized instruments word will come. Okay, so 7th, simultaneous weather reports were taken. Daily storm warning were telegraphed to along with the shore. Okay, so at exactly the same time. At exactly the same time means simultaneous. Each day the information was sent to him by telegraph. Telegraph word is also there, and he was able to draw more detailed weather reports. So what we are looking, telegraph to along the shore. Along the shore, what is this? This at exactly the same time each day the information was sent to him by telegraph, and he was able to draw more detailed weather reports. The approach of an incoming storm could be recognized, and from London could telegraph warning to ports on the coast. Coast is along the shore, and telegraphed warning to, so 2 word, because of 2 word and this shore I have got this answer, ports. So here 7th is ports. 8th, signals. Signals for ships were displayed using raised. Signals were displayed. Okay, let me erase this, then we can read it thoroughly. Signals were for ships were displayed using raised. Something is raised. Where an ingenious system of flags was hoisted up high for passing ships to read. So you can see this, using raised flags. What? Using raised flags, because flags were hoisted up high. High is raised. Okay, for passing ships to read. Some signals means signals. So here 8th is flags. Now 9th, the storm warning service was the greatest development in sea safety since the dash was introduced. Since something was introduced. This next sentence, this represented the biggest advance in shipping safety after the introduction of the lifeboat. See this? Introduce means introduction. Introduction of the lifeboat. Here, since the lifeboat was introduced. So 9th will be lifeboat. Okay, now coming to next number is 10th number. We can do it. 1861. Now let's erase everything. And yeah, 1861 is here. 1861. Public Weather Forecasting Service. Okay, it means the same paragraph is there. Let me see the next also. 1861. 1861 is here. So of course we have left the location of the previous paragraph here. Let's read the 1861. August 1861. This is the location. Okay. Public, very popular in the Times newspaper, frequently used by English Queen. Let's find this English Queen for safe trips to a favorite Queen. Queen is here. Okay. It attracted huge attention, including Queen Victoria, who regularly sent messengers to Fiji office to get a forecast for the sea crossing over the Solent to an island which she liked. So here it is given, frequently used by the English Queen for safe trips to a favorite island, I think. Yes, crossing over the Solent to an island which she liked. Which she liked means favorite and means island will come here. So 10th is to a favorite island. Now 11th, Fitzroy forecasts were popular with fishermen but not with boat. Okay. So fisherman word I can see in the next paragraph. It was also popular with ordinary fishermen who were happy not to be out at sea in bad weather. So forecasts were popular with fishermen but not with boat. Boat, where is boat? But not with the owners of fishing vessels, however, were not supportive. Okay, were not supportive means they were not happy with these forecasts. The owners of fishing vessels, however, were not supportive of Fitzroy forecast, which often caused delays for them when bad weather was forecast. Okay, so here not with boat, I think owners we can write. Fishing vessels, boat, they are saying, talking about boat. So here we can write owners, not with boat, owners we can write. 12th, in modern times, Fitzroy is used for marine area. In modern times, this keyword is important. Very difficult. It wasn't long. Forecast turned out. Okay, let's move to next paragraph. Oh, this is in last paragraph. Okay, so in modern times, I think in recent year they are talking. Let's read it. It is an indisputable, so is used for marine area. Okay, was ahead of his time, but it is only in recent years that he has been recognized as a towering figure in meteorology. Fitzroy is used, but he has been recognized. Fitzroy is recognized is used for a, no, it is not. With the owner of an area, C being given his name. Okay, here we can use Fitzroy's name, we can use this word. With the owner of an area. Area word is also here. Area of sea means marine sea. Area being given his name in the shipping forecast. So we can write here Fitzroy's name. Now 13th. Fitzroy produced a dash which was respected by the scientific community. So scientific community. So community. He died prematurely, but his legacy. Scientist word is here. So Fitzroy produced a dash. A. What A word is here? So it means book. Because he published a book. Here it is given Fitzroy produced a book which was respected by. So here we will be writing here book. So thank you so much.